I think some people are a bit shocked that I've got the word bollocks on my wall. It is my favourite word in the English language. Hi Apartment Therapy, my name's Rachel Edmonds and welcome to my 1800 square foot home here in Devon in the UK. We've been living in our home now for almost 25 years. We moved in here when my eldest son was 6 months old. I now live here with my husband and 3 sons now, and our dog Buster. He's a rescue Rottweiler. The house is Victorian. It was built in 1894. It has 4 bedrooms, a dining room, kitchen, sadly only 1 bathroom, which is a bit of a fight in the morning, and a large sitting room, which is where I am now. And most of the work inside the house I've done myself. I'm inspired by so many things. I love architecture, I love nature, I really love using second-hand items, and I particularly love Italy. If I could live anywhere in the world, I would go and live in Italy. I'm just fascinated by their cafe culture, how family orientated they are, and the food is amazing. During the last lockdown, I created my own little Italian cafe, which I have termed the She Shed. And I've tried to bring in elements of Italian cafe society. It's got its own little sign, and then inspired by the mosaic floors of Herculaneum and Pompeii, I stenciled the floor and gold leafed it, and it feels like you're not in England when you go in there. What sums me up best is dark Gothic glam. Somebody else wrote it about me, and I think that sums me up perfectly. I love dark colours. I love the nod to history with the Gothic element, and the glam, well, you'll find sprinklings of gold all around the house. I work as an interior blogger and interior designer. So this is my bedroom, the main bedroom. I wanted this room to feel a bit like a boutique hotel. I wanted it to feel luxurious. It has its original cast iron fireplace, which I wanted to make a real feature of, so I painted it gold. It's just a really lovely room to sleep in. You feel like a princess. My decor style, I tend to come from a sensory perspective. Having 2 young adults in the house with autism means that they struggle to move from one room to another, and so the colours I try to keep quite similar so that there's a flow throughout the rooms and doorways don't become an obstruction. It's all about taking my son's sensory needs and interpreting them with design to help reduce their anxiety levels. As a family, we are always laughing together about the most ridiculous things. So I think I also try to bring humour into the house as well. I love quirk in the home, and especially when you have visitors, it's always a conversation starter, and I just love seeing their reactions to some of the things that we've added to our home. Home to me is family. A house isn't a home without a feeling of love in it, and to create a home that you love, you need to look inside. Don't look at what everyone else is doing. Don't necessarily follow trends. Just make a home that totally reflects your style. Go for it.